Cash buyers accounted for 30% of homes purchased in Annapolis over the past 30 days. It's Veterans Day, November 10th, 2023, and a big thank you to all those who have served our country. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Cash buyers plunked down more than $1 million for those purchases. The majority of non-cash buyers used conventional financing programs, with only 6 buyers using the VA and only 3 using FHA loan products. Whether these decisions were based on the actual loan program qualification criteria or fear that a listing agent would advise their seller against FHA or VA, that's unknown. But sellers and their agents should know that they should not be fearful of having an FHA or VA buyer. That's shutting the door on many capable and well-qualified buyers who could purchase your home. Want more information? DM me. Annapolis inventory rose slightly to 145 for sale. 8 homes are coming soon to the market. 26 homes hit the market over the past week. 12 went under contract since last week. 13 moved to pending. 21 homes sold at 100% and in 8 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Winchester on the Severn for $1,925,000. Rentals in Annapolis rose to 50 for rent at a median $2,850 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 10th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week.